Here's a quick video to show you how to install the HandleStash cup holder. It's a quick release style clamp, so just unscrew it to open it up large enough to install on the bars. And you can see I'm taking this one off, but to install it, start by wrapping the rubber strip around. Gives it extra grip to make sure it doesn't slip. Once you get that on there, you've got the jaws opened up. Slide it on and then turn until it's tight. Pop it closed. If it still slips some, then give it another turn. And it might be a little bit hard to close, but then it'll hold really nicely. If you want to adjust the angle, then there's a screw right here. Let's see if we can get that in there. You can sort of see the screw. With the number 2 Phillips, you want to use one that's not stripped on. Make sure you've got a good screwdriver. Loosen it, and then it'll rotate about 30 degrees in one direction. So you can adjust it into that range, or if you need to rotate it to mount vertically, then unscrew it more, and it rotates past the stop there. And then you can tighten that back down wherever you end up getting it placed. And then you can also replace the quick release with a Allen bolt that's included. So if you pull this off, bike's getting away from me there. And if you pull this all the way out, make sure to hold on to this part because you're pulling the screw out from there. But you can unscrew that completely. You can see it came out. Keep that washer. And again, this is a totally optional step. If you want it to be bolted on instead of a quick release, so that it's a little easier to steal or take off, then you can use this Allen bolt that's included, put the washer on there, put it through, and then here's the hard part, is lining it up with that hole. Again, make sure you're holding on to that, because this piece, here I'll show you, it is loose, so that does come out. So make sure to hold on to it and get the threads lined up. And it's a little tricky, but again, it's totally optional. And once you've got it lined up, then you can install it with the Allen screw just the same way. Just screw her all the way on there. And just get it tight enough so that it doesn't rotate on the bars. And there you go. That's all you need to install the HandleStash cup holder.